The fundamental meaning of basic structure is basic mandates, and in the present context, the provisions of the Constitution cannot be destroyed or even altered through amendments by the Parliament. Hi everyone, I am Amy.
Hello everyone, I am George. In this video, we will discuss the concept of doctrine of basic structure. Under Article 368, there is amendment provision, which empowers Parliament to amend any constitutional provisions including fundamental rights and Article 368 itself.
However, to review the superpower of amendment of the Parliament, judiciary comes into picture and decides whether Parliament has unlimited power to amend the constitutional provisions or there is scope to put certain restriction to protect the sanctity and supremacy of the Constitution. So, it was Justice J.R. Mudlikar who first time in 1964 postulated the concept of basic structure in the case of Sajjant Singh vs. State of Rajasthan. Justice Mudlikar questioned over the ambit of Article 368 and raised the question that, has Parliament power to alter a basic feature or rewrite a part of the Constitution?
Further he wrote, it is also a matter for consideration whether making a change in a basic feature of the Constitution can be regarded merely as an amendment or would it be, in effect, rewriting a part of the Constitution, and if the latter, would it be within the purview of Article 368?
Furthermore, in 1967, the Supreme Court reversed its earlier decisions in Goloknath vs. State of Punjab. It held that fundamental rights included in Part 3 of the Constitution are given a transcendental position and are beyond the reach of Parliament. In addition to this, Supreme Court also affirmed that any amendment that takes away or abridges a fundamental right conferred by Part 3 is unconstitutional. Further, in 1973, the doctrine of basic structure was formally introduced with rigorous legal reasoning. In the case of Kesavananda Bharati vs. State of Kerala, Justice Hans Raj Khanna gave decisive and landmark judgment.
In this landmark ruling, the Supreme Court adjudicated that though Parliament has wide powers, but it did not have the power to destroy or emasculate the basic elements or fundamental features of the Constitution. It was the largest constitutional bench of 13 judges, but decided by a narrow margin of 7-6. The basic structure doctrine.
Further, in Indira Nehru Gandhi vs. Raj Narain and the Minerva Mills vs. Union of India, Constitutional Bench of the Supreme Court used the basic structure doctrine to strike down the 39th Amendment and parts of the 42nd Amendment respectively, and paved the way for restoration of Indian democracy.
Moreover, through these cases, Supreme Court cleared that Parliament can amend the Constitution but cannot destroy its basic structure.
Hey, if you are really interested in knowing the list of basic features of the Indian Constitution, then you can check the next video, namely, what are the features included in basic structure of the Constitution?